Hello students of standard 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. Let's begin an online session of English. JMall Public School welcomes you all in E-class. Myself, Renuka Sisivar, your English teacher. So let's start today's topic. This chapter is taken from your English Reader Unit number 2, Books. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions. Listen to me carefully. My leaves are white, they never grow, and everything you want to know is stored in those black marks you see on every leaf. You find me in. I repeat, my leaves are white, they never grow, and everything you want to know is stored in those black marks you see on every leaf you find in me. Can you guess the answer of this riddle? What is this? This is a riddle. Can you please guess the answer? Who am I? Yes, your answer is very correct. Who am I? I am a book. I am a book. So, my dear children, books can be a wide variety. There are lots of books. There are lots of various types of books. For example, fairy tales. Fairy tales means the stories of fairies, magical people, and events. For example, autobiography. It means a story of a person's life written by that person. For example, poetry book. Poetry book means collection of poems. Right? Folk tales. It means stories about ordinary folks. Detective stories. It means collection of mystery stories. Like this, there are lots of many more varieties and various types of books. So, this is your today's poem is Adventure of Books. Adventure of Books. So, this is your first stanza. Have you seen this picture? Yes. Come on, read this. First of all, we will recite this poem. So, let's recite the poem. Books are ships that sail the seas. Books are ships that sail the seas to lands of snow or jungle trees. To lands of snow or jungle trees. And I am the captain, bold and free, who will decide which place we will see. Who will decide which place we will see. Come, let us sail the magic ship. So in the first stanza, poets compared the books with the ships. That books are ships that sail the seas. Poet is saying that books take the speaker to sail the seas, and poet is captain of this ship in which he will travel. So, poet is saying books take the speaker to sail the seas, and the speaker is the captain. Who is reading the book is captain. The speaker is the captain of the ship in which he will travel, and he is bold and free person. He is bold and free. It is he who will decide that place to visit. So, poets invites everybody to sail its magic ship. So, this is your ship of books. So, books are ships that sail the seas. Let's see the next. Yes, this is your second stanza. Books are trains in many lands, crossing hills or desert sands, and I am the engineer who guides the train on its exciting rides. Books are trains in many lands, crossing hills or desert sands, and I am the engineer who guides the train on its exciting rides. Come, let us ride the magic train. After that, poet is saying books are trains where he travels us in many places, in many lands. Books can easily cross hills, deserts, and many lands where we want to go. And books can easily cross all the places, all many lands. Books take its passenger on magic lands and in many lands where they want to go. And I am the engineer who guides you. I am the engineer. I am means the speaker. The speaker is the engineer of that train. So books take its passenger on many lands and in very exciting rides. So let us ride the magic train. So speaker is inviting the passengers, the poet inviting their speakers to ride the magic train. So here the poets compared the books with ships and trains. These are our guides. Books are our guides. Let's see what is the next now. I hope you all are understand these two stanzas. Yes, now your assignment time. See, question number 1. Complete the stanza taking words from the box given below. Okay, some help box is given here and some words have been given in that help box. So, these are some lines. You have to be complete these lines with the help of these words. Choose correct word from the help box and complete the lines. Yes. We will see you in our next class and in our next part. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a